Hello, my name is Nipun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you navigate your way through the crazy world of skincare. I'm not a dermatologist, neither am an esthetician, but over the last 3.5 years, I have made every possible mistake you can think of in my skincare journey. And I'm here to help you, guide you, be your skincare bestie. Today we're talking about a very simple but a very important topic, and that is how do you create your own skincare routine. Now, I know the market is flooded with so many products, and every time you get onto a shopping website, you almost feel nervous because there's so many serums, there's so many different creams, now there are ampules, essences. How do you figure out what is right for you? So I'm here to demystify that. Before you get started, by thinking or wanting to create a skincare routine, the most important thing you need to do is figure out what is your correct skin type. Now, most people, and this will surprise you, 90% people, as per a Google survey, don't know their real skin type, because what we do is we apply products on our skin and then we see how our skin is responding. So you apply a certain cream and it makes your skin feel oily. You apply a certain product and makes your skin feel dry. But that is your skin responding to the products. That's not your real skin type. So first I'm going to tell you very quickly how you can figure out your correct skin type. It's a simple test. It'll take 30 minutes. You can do it at home today. Go ahead, wash your face. Wash it with whatever regular cleanser you have. Just go ahead, wash your face, pat it dry, and then wait for 30 minutes. After you wash your face, don't apply any cream, toner, serum, nothing. Just sit for 30 minutes, watch some Instagram, or you can follow me on TikTok. So go ahead, do that. After 30 minutes, notice your skin. How does your skin feel? Is your skin feeling dry, stretched, like from this area? Are you seeing white patches? If you're feeling stretched and you see white patches, that means your skin is extremely dry. If you just feel stretched and otherwise you're okay, you have dry skin. If your skin naturally starts to produce oil everywhere, only then you have oily skin. And let's say your skin produces oil only on the T-zone, which is your forehead, nose and chin, then you have an oily T-zone while the rest of your skin could be dry, could be normal. And in case nothing happens, you're absolutely fine, you are super rare because you have normal skin. Now that you've figured out your right skin type, you can go ahead and create a skincare routine. A simple skincare routine would comprise of just two things: cleanser, moisturizer. That's it. Morning and evening, clean your skin and moisturize your skin with the products that suit your skin type. But if you want to start adding layers, this is what you do. In your morning skincare routine, between the cleanser and the moisturizer, you must add, after your moisturizer, a sunscreen. A sunscreen is the most important thing that you can do for your skin, and we'll come to finding the right sunscreen for your skin type in another video. But what I would say is cleanse, moisturize, and add a sunscreen. If you have really oily skin, skip the moisturizer, just use a sunscreen directly after you use your cleanser. Now let's look at the PM skincare routine. In the PM skincare routine, where you have the cleanser, what you can do here is double cleanse. Double cleansing is a very effective thing that you can do for your skin. This involves using an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm first on dry skin. You massage it really well, then you wash it off and then use your regular cleanser, maybe the same one that you used in the morning. This process is called double cleansing, and whether you wear makeup or not, whether you're a man or woman, do double cleanse your skin. It's life-changing. Then of course you've got the moisturizer right after. Now in your AM and PM skincare routine, between cleanser and moisturizer, you have a layer. In that layer, you can add various different products. So in the AM, between your cleanser, your moisturizer and your sunscreen, you should be adding an antioxidant such as a vitamin C serum, resveratrol, or EUK 134 from The Ordinary. An antioxidant does a couple of things. Number one, it brightens your skin. Vitamin C in particular will help boost the production of collagen naturally in your skin. So it's really effective even as an anti-aging product. So you add a vitamin C or any other antioxidant, and then you go ahead with your moisturizer and sunscreen, or just your sunscreen. In the PM routine, we've got the same empty layer. Now in this layer, you should once or twice a week definitely exfoliate your skin. And on this channel, when I say exfoliation, we're not talking of the great St. Ives scrub or any other scrub or anything that you can feel and massage on your skin that's granular. No. We're talking chemical exfoliants. We're talking about the world of alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, and polyhydroxy acids. So that's what we're talking about, and there's a whole video on that. But in the meanwhile, you can add an exfoliant which matches your skin type, and I'm going to tell you how you figure that out in a separate video. So you basically once or twice a week add a chemical exfoliant to exfoliate your skin. Get rid of all that gunk and dead skin and all of those layers that are built up, and let that little baby skin come out. So exfoliation is something that you should be doing in your PM skincare routine. Now, in addition to exfoliation, on the nights when you're not exfoliating, depending on your age, what stage of life you are in, you can add a magical product that everyone talks about, which is my favorite, and that is retinol. Retinol is, like I said, why depends on the stage of life, because retinol is not a product for a woman if she's pregnant or nursing. So if you're above the age of 25, you're not pregnant, you're not nursing, you can start using a retinol-based cream or a retinol-based serum. Ideally, you should start with the retinol 1 to 2 times a week only, and then very gradually build up the frequency. So this is how your PM skincare routine would look like, and this is how your AM skincare routine would look like. So if I'm just to talk about these two routines, they're not crazy. Your basic 2 products are there, which is your cleanser and your moisturizer, and in between, based on your skin type, based on how old you are and what you need, you can add 1 or 2 products, and that's it. It's a really simple way you can create your own skincare routine. Start by figuring out what is your skin type. Start by figuring out what is your skin issue. And I have to tell you this, I love The Ordinary as a brand. It's good. Some of the products are very good, but I have a problem with what The Ordinary did when it started and it became really famous. They created so many products, and they were individual products, right? So there was a niacinamide, there's a vitamin C, they had their own retinols in so many formats. What that did to a lot of people who are skincare enthusiasts, especially someone like me, we went crazy. We bought all the serums, right? And we started experimenting. And when you're using too many things and your foreskin is like, what the hell is happening to me? It starts to break out. You damage your skin barrier. So instead of it improving your skin, you can actually look red, rashy, and bad. So the important thing to remember is when you start your skincare routine, let's say you're wanting to add a vitamin C serum in your AM skincare routine. Do that. Let your skin settle for 2-3 weeks. See how your skin's responding. Then go ahead and start using an exfoliant. Once you've done that, do that for a couple of weeks. Don't suddenly add vitamin C, exfoliants, retinol, serums, ampules. Your skin will just not know what to do. So be gentle with your skin. I always say this, skincare or just having healthy skin, it's a marathon, guys. It's not a sprint. So you've got to be extremely, extremely patient with yourself. Now in the next video and the upcoming videos, I am going to talk about how do you figure out the right chemical exfoliant for your skin type, the right sunscreen for your skin type, the right vitamin C. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And that's all from me today. You can like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, or do neither. I am just so happy that you're watching me today, so have a great one.